In today's video, I'm going to show you BEASTCOM Q3 Gaming PC review. The BEASTCOM Q3 Essential Gaming PC is one of the most talked about budget pre-built desktops in 2026, often advertised with an AMD Ryzen CPU, 16GB RAM, SSD storage, and integrated AMD Vega graphics, all packaged as a plug-and-play gaming PC at an affordable price. Out of the box, the Q3's Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 3 processor, combined with 16GB of RAM and a fast SSD, feels very capable for everyday tasks, productivity work, web browsing, video streaming, and esports style games. The generous SSD and memory configuration help it boot quickly and stay responsive even with multiple apps open, which is great for students, casual gamers, and home office users alike. However, the biggest limitation is the lack of a dedicated graphics card. The PC relies on integrated AMD Vega graphics for visuals. That's fine for lighter titles and competitive games at modest settings, but it struggles with more demanding AAA games or smooth, high FPS performance at 1080p without lowering graphics quality. Some owners have even reported much lower frame rates than expected in certain games unless a discrete GPU is added later. User reviews and ratings trend mixed overall. Many buyers appreciate the easy setup, solid performance for basic use, reliable Windows 11 environment, and attractive RGB lighting, making it a reasonable entry point for budget gaming. But a noticeable portion of customers criticize its graphics performance, lack of upgrade options, and occasional setup quirks, and some international shipments have issues like missing components or warranty concerns. In short, the BEASTCOM Q3 is best suited for casual gamers, students, and everyday PC use, where blazing fast frame rates and cutting-edge graphics aren't priorities. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.